Alright everybody, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing an OBS final setup. I just got through setting up my video, looking at everything tech. Great, like, subscribe, awesome. So basically I'm just making sure my settings are there. I'm not jet lagging, I won't say jet lagging because my basic system don't hardly do that. Make sure I'm in the right settings, making sure all my modes are good, all my settings are great to use of quality. And I don't have to worry about that, because if it's not in good quality, you're gonna go ahead on there and not paying attention. You go ahead, upload the video, then when you watch it, you're like, oh my gosh, I got frozen frames because you got your frame set into wrong settings. So I'm just making sure I got everything running smooth and right, and everything is all good and dandy. So alrighty, let's do this. Let's go. Let's get it.